Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a custom command in the voice control on iPhone. So today in front of me is the iPhone 12 with the iOS 17.4, but it really doesn't matter which iPhone you have or which version of the iOS you have, it is all going to work the same on every iPhone. So what you want to do is to open settings, then swipe down a little bit, go to the accessibility, then go to the voice control, and then you want to go to the commands. Once you are here, you're going to create custom and then create a new command. Now the phrase, so this is going to be a speakable phrase that you're going to say when you want to just enter this command. Then you're going to create an action, so insert the text, run custom gesture, or run a shortcut. For example, you can run a shortcut that you have created previously. You can run a custom gesture, so you can create a gesture right here. So you're going just to do something like this. That's a gesture that I want to have. Then click stop, and then click save, but I'm not going to do that. And also you can insert a text and here write a text to be inserted. So here's going to be action, and the application you can set it to any app, or you can set it to the app that you want to. So this is it. This is how you can create a new command in the voice control. So thanks for watching. I hope this video helped you. If it did, please leave a like and consider to subscribe to our channel. Bye!